Hi friends, this is Jaganmohan Reddy studying 9th standard in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today I am going to explain about silent features of a plantum kingdom plantae. Plants, there have some points. Do not have differentiation plant parts. First we know these Thallophyta. Thallophyta, the plants of Thallophyta are most primitive, simplest plant and are called algae. And body differentiation will not occur. Plant body will remain as moist called thallus, and mostly they can reproduce asexual. In unfavorable conditions they can reproduce sexual. Next, have differentiation plant parts. Next, with specialized vascular tissue, bryophyta. Bryophyta Bryophyta. These are first terrestrial plant having outer nutrients, and these are small multicellular green plants which can grow in shady and damp flower. Some plants have a flat thyroid body, and some plants bodies are differentiated into stem, leaves, and roots. Next, true roots and flowers are absent. The false roots of bryophyta are called rhizoids. Next, with vascular tissue. With vascular tissue, there are two parts. Do not provide seeds. That is Petriophytes. Petriophytes, these are the first terrestrial vascular plant, and flowers will not be produced. True roots and leaves are present. Reproduction is by spores which will be produced in sporangia. A group of sporangia is called sure, which can born on leaves called sporoecial leaves of bryophyta. The male reproductive part is and female reproductive part is archeon. And next, provide produce seeds, that is produce seeds. Next, uh, bear naked seeds, that is gymnosperms. Gymnosperms, these are evergreen shrubs or trees grown temperate forest. These are large plant with will differentiated plant body as roots, leaves, and stem. Uh, Generally, these plants are will have root system stem are erect, aerial, and branched or unbarred. Next, bear seeds inside fruit, that is angiosperms. Angiosperms, these are the terrestrial plant. The The plant body is differentiated into roots, shoot, and leaves. Flowers will be produced, and flowers consist of stems, and the male reproductive from which the male reproductive cells pollen grains will be released. And next, by the process of double fertilization, which is the characteristics feature of angiosperms, the ovules develop into seeds and ovary develops into a fruit. The seeds of angiosperms are of two types, men, men, mencocyclus, which will have a single cyclone, example rice and wheat. And next, dicotyledons, which will have two cotyledons, example peak and grams. And next, have seats with two coastlines, decors example. And next, have seats with one site lots example. My god, thank you.